showcase truck are out. Austin Schott is going to bring them around. And it's looking good. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag and we're racing. So it's Schott and Balmus and Wagner. And here comes Wagner. I know he really likes that car. Wagner with the fast time tonight. So keep an eye on him. That 73 car was fast. They rolled 1 on the invert, if I remember right, or 2. So he didn't have to switch around too much. As Phil Special is going to have to give the number 2 car of Austin Schott a push. Maybe. Maybe the outside's a little faster for Phil. There he goes. Phil's getting around Austin Schott right now. Phil's going to try to follow behind Allendorf. Here comes the 29 of Austin Fowler to try to slide around and make his move on Austin Schott. Whoa, Austin, hang on to it. Went a little high there between 1 and 2. Got to be a little tired running Sportsman and Roadrunners, I would think. So coming around, it's going to be Justin Wagner now, your leader, followed by Bill Balmus, Kevin Memely, Jeff Allendorf, Phil Special, Austin Fowler, followed by Austin Schott. So I've got Austin and Austin, then I've got Josh Cavan, then I've got Alex Rudd, Keegan Rodden, and Abraham Lincoln is off the pace in the 19. Kurt Neischwanger bringing it to the inside there, having some issues with the car. Our Roadrunner drivers are going to go ahead and go 20 laps here tonight. Remember, race fans, just as a reminder, the family is allowed in the pits tonight due to the COVID-19 restrictions here. We cannot allow the fans, just the families of the drivers tonight here, folks. Hopefully, as time goes on, we'll be able to get that changed. Just we'll see what happens. So anyways, right now, it's Justin Wagner's race, and he's coming into lap traffic. It's only 20-lap race. Yeah, Keegan Rodden definitely wanting to get the car done. All right, as we're winding the laps down, the cars don't have any transponders. That's why we don't have the scoreboard working right now. I've got some extra announcements here to say, too. I hope it's not too late. We have a happy 5th anniversary to my beautiful wife, Shauna Irwin. He says, I love you to the moon and back. Love Matt Irwin. And happy birthday to Bobby Boyd. Sorry, I almost forgot about that, ladies and gentlemen. I got that when I was walking out to talk to DJ Smith. Anyways, is anybody going to catch Justin Wagner? We got a battle for second, though, between Balmus, Memely, and Special. We got 11 laps down just now. 11 down, 9 to go. We got a great battle here once again for second and third and fourth. Balmus hanging on. Looks like he got his problem figured out from earlier in the heat, although he did drift a little high. So it's Balmus, Memely, Special, Allendorf, and here comes Austin Fowler. And then bringing up the rest, it's Josh Cavan, and Josh Cavan's hood, hopefully it doesn't open up, but half of it's starting to come loose as the laps are winding down. I think Justin Wagner's going to win this race. We'll see what happens, but the race is really for second place. Kevin Memely, the 2018 Roadrunner track champion, looking to take second place away from Bill Balmus. As they're coming into lap traffic, they just go by the 42 of Alex Rudd. Here comes... So this time by, it's 5 laps to go for Justin Wagner. Here we go, getting down to the nitty-gritty. We're down to about 3 laps, I believe. Justin Wagner's running away with it. Kevin Memley only hopes for a caution, but I don't think he's going to get it. Fowler on the inside of Balmas. Balmas losing a couple of spots. Getting down to the nitty-gritty. Who's it going to be? I think it's going to be Justin Wagner. Race fans, if you could stay seated just for a minute, we're going to dismiss you by section. Once again, due to COVID-19, please stay there. We'll dismiss you by section. Justin Wagner's going to get the win. Hang on, Rockford Speedway.
This guy in the picture here?